This time on True Blue Touring, we explore the gorges of Karijini National Park.
We left the much-loved Ningaloo coast and headed inland for the Pilbara region. The scenery really changed quickly, and at sunset the deep reds really came to life.
Our first gorge was Hamersley Gorge. It was a corrugated road in and then a short little walk down to the swimming area. We explored the freezing water, first swimming downstream between the high walls of the gorge and then exploring more upstream where we found a nice little warm pool just where the waterfall plunges.
When I was younger, I should have known better. And I can't feel no remorse, and you don't feel nothing back. I got a new girlfriend. Feels like
We had a beautiful free camp that night with a great sunset that lit up the mountain ranges behind us.
Unfortunately, Hancock Gorge was closed due to some backburning going on, so our next stop was Joffre Gorge. Another really nice walk down into the gorge, climbing down the various ladders and staircases they've put in there.
You've been on my mind, girl, since the flood. Oh, Ophelia, heaven help a fool.
Next on the agenda was Knox Gorge, where we had a refreshing swim in the pool at the end of the walk.
I got a little paycheck. You got big plans, and you gotta move. And I don't feel nothing at all. And you can't feel nothing small. Honey, I love you. That's all she wrote.
To finish off the day, we did end up checking out Dale's Gorge and Fern Pool, which was probably the warmest swim of the trip, but unfortunately we didn't get too much footage at this spot.
The next morning we gave the parks a call to double check on the Hancock Gorge closure situation, and to our surprise it had reopened. We made the decision to backtrack the 80 k's back to the gorge as it was Ben's favourite spot on his last trip in 2019.
We did the spider walk through the gorge, but unfortunately there wasn't too much water flowing through at the moment, so we only swam at Python Pool and weren't swimming at Handrail Pool.
Walking home and poking low, seeing shores and even close with you. From nervous times and getting drunk, shake it up and we can hurt you. From nervous times and getting drunk, shake it up and we can hurt you.
From there we headed towards Port Hedland, passing some really big road trains and oversized loads that were heading out towards the mines.
Next time on True Blue Touring, we explore the Kimberley region where everything breaks on the car.